In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in installments on Amazon. If you've ever wanted just a little more financial flexibility for those bigger purchases, you're in the right place. Amazon offers a convenient buy now, pay later option, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. First, start by adding eligible items to your cart. It's important to remember that not everything sold on Amazon can be paid for in installments. Typically, purchases that qualify are those over $50 USD, and they must be made using a payment method that supports installment payments. Keep an eye out for these criteria to ensure you're selecting items that fit the bill. Once you've added your items to the cart and are ready to check out, pay particular attention when you select your payment method. Look for options that mention monthly payments or equal monthly payments. In some cases, you might see these options reflected under certain conditions, like using an Amazon store card. Alternatively, there could be a financing option linked to a partner service such as Affirm, which you'll find available under the Amazon Pay section. After you've identified the right payment plan for your purchase, you might have the opportunity to choose the number of installment payments. These options could range anywhere from 6 months up to 24 months, but do keep in mind that choices vary depending on the region you're in and the item you're buying. Take a moment to consider what duration works best for your budget and cash flow. The next step is to complete your checkout. When you finalize this part, the entire purchase amount might initially appear as charged to your card, depending on the specific plan you choose. Rest assured, this is just part of the process, and you'll then make monthly installment payments according to the agreed schedule. Each installment will gradually reduce the balance, spreading the cost over a longer period while keeping your finances a bit more flexible. Lastly, staying organized is key. Make sure to regularly review your billing statements to track your payments. It's crucial to ensure that the payment method you've selected remains valid for the duration of your installment plan. This attention to detail will help prevent any hiccups or disruptions in making your monthly payments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy a more manageable way to purchase those must-have items on Amazon without paying the full price up front. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.